Hooch, there's bigger beds, bud. There's bigger beds, Hooch. Where I sits, I fits, I fits, I sits. You're a little hoochie mamas? Is that what you is? You're so cute. You're so cute. Big dog in a little bed. Big dog in a little bed.
Came back from playing baseball. Nick Anderson stole his rock.
That's ridiculous.
Rock in a long time. It's like watching.
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Jules, you cannot fit in that little dog bed. You're a big dog. I can't fit. I'm a little dog. Watch, I can fit. Let me just go around. I will fit. I can fit. Let me go around again. I can fit. See?
When your big dog decides to be in a small bed, which isn't hers. Lily, it's hers.
Oh, it's, oh, ooh, just get finance in there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Really, Sasha?
What you looking at?
What are you doing? You're falling off. Ah, guys, like you're like so long. What are you doing?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Dawn. Oh.
That feel good.
Look, this, I bought this with money. I just gave money to somebody and they gave this to me. They just gave it to me. And now it lives in my house.
How's it going, Brock?
I'm good.
You think he knows he's 175 pounds?
Chester. Hey, buddy, I'd like to get up. Chester. Hey, I need to get up now. Hey. Chester. Hey. Hey. Come on now. Let's get up. Let's get up. Chester.
He looks pretty comfy.
I'm sure he is.
How do you feel, Brock?
A little squished. I keep getting his hair up my nose.
I think he does this because remember when he was a puppy, he used to carry him around like this?
Chester!
Because he doesn't sit
So you're not a lap dog. You can't sit on a lap. Oh, can he?
Yeah. I think it hurt me.
That's good. Zanko, you're not a lap dog, mate. Zanko, you're not a lap dog. You need to get down. Good boy.